The Main Street Bakery in Walt Disney World opened with the rest of the Magic Kingdom in October of 1971. This is me, 18 years later, enjoying the food and entertainment with my family. Now, I don't remember when I first discovered the Main Street Bakery cinnamon roll, but I do know that it has since become a staple on every one of my trips to Disney. Although the location has changed, you can now find these at Gaston's Tavern in New Fantasyland. I don't personally feel the recipe has changed much at all. So when Disney Food Blog posted the recipe, I knew I had to try it out. I recruited the help of my mom in our PJs, listening to Christmas music, to give it a go. It may not look the same in the end, but it certainly tasted just as good.